Good morning, learners. Welcome to another lesson, another topic, resources and economic activity. Resources and economic activity. And first, we are going to start by defining resources. What is resources? Resources is something that one has used or can use. One has used or one can use something that one has and can use to create wealth. Something that one has. This is something that one has and can use to create wealth. Resources is something that one has and can use to create wealth. Example, we have land. We have land. That land, the land that you can start farming on that land. You can start farming on that land. Then the products of that land, can be sold, and from there you can get money. So by that means you create wealth. Here we also have minerals. We have minerals. Example, limestone. You can use the limestone to sell those minerals. You sell them, the minerals. Then from there you create wealth. We have forests. We also have rivers and lakes. The rivers go mainly fishing. You can start fishing or getting sand from rivers. We sell, then we create wealth. We also have domestic animals. Cows. You can use the cows that we have by selling them or selling the products from the cows. Then we get money. There we are creating wealth. Wildlife. We also have wildlife. This one can also be used to create wealth. So, what is economic activity? We have now defined resources, something that one has and can use to create wealth. Now we are going to economic activity. What is economic activities? What is economic activity? This is various ways in which we use resources, in which we use resources to earn money. Economic activity are various ways in which we use resources to earn money. So, from these resources, how do we earn money from the resources? Here is through, one is crop farming. I've said we can use the land to grow crops, and from the crops we are going to sell the crops, then we get money. We also have mining. From minerals, mining. Here, forestry, we can have forestry. Then we have trade. We also have trade, exchange of those goods and services. We have trade. We have fishing from rivers, fishing. We have another one. We have livestock keeping. livestock keeping is also another way in which you can use resources. Livestock keeping from domestic animals. So from here we keep animals. These animals, after using them, after selling them, we are going to earn money. Then we have wildlife and tourism. Wildlife and tourism. Wildlife and tourism. Have wildlife and tourism. This comes from the wildlife here. Tourism. The tourists come to see the wildlife animals. There we can get money from those tourists who pay to see the wildlife. Then we have transport and communication. Transport and communication. Transport and communication. This is also another way where we can get money. We get the land, building of roads of the land, then from there buying vehicles, put them on the roads, then we start use the transport to earn money. So those are various, that is resources and economic activity. This is resources and economic activity. We have already defined resources, something that I can use to get money. I can use the land to get wealth. I can use the land to do farming. After farming, I sell the products, then I earn wealth. So those are examples. So that is resources and economic activity. I hope you have seen the difference between the resources. You have the resources and at the same time we have economic activity. We have what you can get from those resources to earn wealth. Now we go to agriculture. We start with agriculture. From our topic now, we are going to start with agriculture. Agriculture. From this topic of ours, we are going to start with agriculture. So what is agriculture? What is agriculture? Agriculture, this is the growing of crops, and keeping livestock, and keeping of livestock. The growing of crops and keeping of livestock. And here, this is the main economic activity in the country. This is the main economic activity in the country. So, we have, this is the main economic activity in the country. We have different types of agriculture. We have different types of agriculture. We have what is known as large-scale farming. Large-scale farming. Large-scale farming, this is where a person or a farmer grows crops or keeps livestock on a large piece of land. I've said large-scale farming. This is large-scale farming. Large-scale farming, a farmer grows crops or keeps livestock on a large piece of land. That is not large-scale farming. Then we have small-scale farming. Small-scale farming, this is the opposite of large-scale farming. When the farmers on large-scale farming, here I've said large piece of land, here small piece of land. Small piece of land. Can grow crops. Here the farmer can grow crops or keep livestock on a small piece of land. Then we have mixed farming. Mixed farming. Mixed farming. What is mixed farming? Mixed farming is the keeping of livestock. Together with crops. together with the growing of crops, with the growing of crops. That is known as mixed farming. We have mixed farming. So, these are different types of farming that is done in Kenya. These are different types of farming that is done in Kenya. We have those who are large-scale farmers, places like in Kitale, where they just grow a lot of maize in one farm. We have Wasinigishu. We have small-scale farming. This is majorly practiced in the country, and also mixed farming. At the same time, people are farmers and also livestock keepers. So we have characteristics of traditional methods of farming. We have traditional methods of farming. Traditional methods of farming or farming. Traditional methods of farming. Here we have, they have traditional methods of farming have characteristics. We have characteristics. We have characteristics. We have characteristics. We have these characteristics. Farmers depend. Here we have different types of characteristics. And one is that farmers depend on family labor. One characteristics of traditional farming. Traditional farming, this was done during traditional time. This was done during the traditional time in African community. So family depended on family labor. Traditional, they depended on family labor. Depended on family labor. Family labor, this meaning that the members of the family, the members of that family were the ones who were in the farm, going to the farm digging. They were the ones who were just there. Maybe if the time for planting, if the time of digging, the family members, father, wife, and the children go to the farm. When the time of planting comes, the same family goes to the farm, weeding and harvesting all the same. So here, the characteristics of this is that they depended on family labor. Another, farmer used simple tools. Another is simple tools. That is another characteristic. Here we have James, hoes, etc. Simple tools that can be used by people. We also have farming or small scale. Farming was on small scale. Small scale. Farming was on small scale. Another is they mainly grew subsistence farm crops. Mainly grew, we have subsistence crops. Subsistence crops. Subsistence crops, these are crops grown mainly for food. Crops grown mainly for food. So these are just few characteristics of traditional farming. These are few characteristics of traditional farming. Members, families, they depended on family. Simple tools were used. They were small scale. Small scale, I've said, a small piece of land was used. A small piece of land was used. Then we have subsistence crops. Subsistence crops, these are crops mainly grown for food. These were crops grown mainly for food. You have millet, sorghum, cassava. Those are examples of the crops that were grown. etc. So these are just examples of the characteristics of traditional farming. Then we come to another here. Our next topic will be types of traditional farming. Types of traditional farming. Types of traditional farming. Types of traditional farming. and shift cultivation. And shift cultivation. We only had two types of farming, which were bush farming and shift cultivation. So we are going to look at that in our next topic. But I want to clarify something. When you are given a past paper and maybe there is a question that you did not understand, we cannot at this moment revise the whole paper. So what I advise is you send back the questions that you failed, those questions that maybe you did not understand in those questions, in those past papers that you are doing, so that we can clarify them here before we start another lesson. You can revise them here. Maybe there are common questions that you did not understand. You can send them, you send the number so that you can pass them here before we start another lesson. So that is the end of our lesson today. Let's meet next time.